When you enter the Brecon Beacons, you might encounter the rare Drufus. I was going to go lightweight tonight, but I've ended up with 2 bags. That's definitely not lightweight. Getting the essential stuff done first. Priorities. Get the ciders cold. Try and work out where to put the tent now. I could put it in between the trees. Nice and frost free. Over there. Maybe up here. Right, speed up time. Let's go. Cloud Up's first out then. He's got the Robens Starlight too. And what's the name of that one again?
The best.
The best. T10 something or other.
Hang on, I'll tell you now.
He's got so many tents. The Lightwave T10
Trail.
Who's going to be the first one in for a swim? Looking good. Just right for one, it looks like.
Yeah.
This is where I stashed the wood last time.
It's still dry. That's pretty dry as well, actually.
Is it?
Yeah.
Done this job, man.
Tidy.
Try and put some sticks at the bottom this time, I think.
Yeah, you got
Fight
to
it on
go.
them, like.
Always got to start off with a bed of wood, man.
Yeah.
Oh, well, Rainier's taught you that, like. I know Bear Grylls will tell you how to do that. Climb to the top of the very tree to break the twigs off.
Make sure you drink your own.
Yeah.
Oh, you just took a fence apart, didn't you?
It was all dead stuff.
Oh, we got loads now. Awesome.
Spare bit more.
A Northern Monk.
That's a deal.
First try of this after I saw Haze Outdoors going on about it.
You haven't had that before?
Nah.
I've had that a few times.
First test of the bridge. See if it holds up now. Whoa! Good engineering on that.
There we are.
Got the water filled. What a beautiful place to spend the night. Pretty easy to spot my tent. Not exactly camouflage, is it? Be right in the snow, mate. People often ask me the correct way to light the fire. In the bushcraft community, we go to the shop, we buy a 10-pack of Thatcher's Gold, we stuff it with wood, and Bob's your uncle. Make sure to chuck all the tinder on you can. Just make a big mess of it, doesn't matter. Strike a light on that, now that'll go up, no problem. Probably cheated using the cardboard, so I'm going to give it a go with the spark.
He's Bear Grylls, his brother, he's Bear Mills.
Like that.
No, I think it's a go. Let's try it. Soft, as you see, so it's folded over, do you think? I think he's back to tender. Up.
Hey!
What?
Hallelujah!
That's what we like the fire.
Mathew's surf and turf. You're not going to eat all that, surely.
Yeah.
And some cheese salad.
What are you going for?
Fillet steak kebabs,
Nice.
burgers. We still got about best part of 2 hours of sunlight, do we?
Yeah, still got a while.
Yeah, probably, yeah. I haven't gone down that much of it.
We're near the Cray Reservoir today in Brecon Beacons. Should be a chilly night. I think they're predicting -3, -4. Would be nice and warm next to the fire anyway. Hey,
Everybody going on.
Someone's stepping.
Nice.
There you are. I see prawns and I see steak.
Ultimate hot dogs on the way. Are they going to beat the ultimate burgers?
No.
Be more confident, man.
Huh? I don't care, though. These are nice.
No chance.
No, you got no chance.
No, your problem. Too competitive.
What do you reckon? Spicy one with coleslaw and mushroomy one with tomato sauce. See where he can pull out the bag now.
This burgers are fire. These hot dogs are terrified.
Hey.
Hang on. I like a bit more sauce, to be honest, mine, but like you said, proof of the pudding, eh?
Digs his way into it. Like.
Ah, good.
Pork loins, barbecue pork loins.
You need a reaction and you've got to describe it.
This is the best one.
What do you call this?
Matt's concoction.
Looks good.
Over the moment, is.
crime scene investigations. See that? That used to be a branch. But an axe of reasonable sharpness come down at a 45-degree angle. Struck it out. See that little clean cut? And then just snapped it off. So it wasn't that sharp.
Okay.
See it? Poor bushcraft.
Make sure you take all your rubbish with you.
Good morning. Things got a bit spicy last night, a bit leery, so I'm probably going to have to cut a lot of the video out. But seeing as you've watched the video for this long, I'll treat you to this one image to forever haunt your dreams. See you on the next one.
Whoa, 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 watch your fingers up. Oh, the sausages.
Yum, yum, yum.